the ball here. Congo forced backwards all the way back to Mafumbi, who's struggled. Real problem! There you go, high five! Reyners in up the bench, keeps the good times rolling. For Hugo Broos, that is Bafana side. He struggled as Mafumbi with his movements since he's coming together with Lyle Foster, and hasn't looked comfortable on the ball at all. As soon as he got onto it, one thought problems, and one anticipated a problem, that being Reyners, and he picked up the pieces. 5 for South Africa, and quite a night in Gqeberha. Oh, won't find an easy goal. And for a man who's in good goal-scoring nick for his club, he'll love the fact that that form has now moved over to his country.